Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. Age problem pa din, pero tatlong variables na yung ating sasolve. So, before you solve this one, kahit bago mo panoorin, try to solve muna yung mga two variables para hindi ka masyadong abala. So, meron akong PDF na binigay, so try to go with it. So, Alice is 7 years older than Bob and Carol is twice as old as Alice. The sum of their ages is 77. How old is each person? So, denote mo lang muna yung character natin. Tatlo yan, si Alice, si Bob, at saka si Carol. Medyo madami. So, pwedeng isulat mo yung variable natin. Si Alice, si Bob, at saka si Carol. Ito yung kanilang present age pa din. Always, gagamitin mo yung variable. Ang gagamitin mong variable represents the present age. Okay? So, doon sa unang sentence, Alice is 7 years older than Bob. So, kunin mo lang phrase by phrase. So, si Alice daw is 7 years older than Bob. So, si Bob, dagdagan mo ng 7 years old. Okay? Next, si Carol daw is twice as old as Alice. Si Carol is twice as old as Alice. So, doble daw siya ng edad ni Alice. Okay? Then, proceed with the next sentence. The sum of their ages is 77. Ito ba present age pa din? Still present pa din yung sinasabing age dito. So, kasi yung verb niya is. So, i-add lang natin lahat ng present age niya. So, i-add natin yung age ni Alice plus yung age ni Bob plus yung age ni Carol, which is equivalent to 77. So, paano mo ngayon ito isosolve? Meron kang tatlong equation dito. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Yung dalawang equation, madali na lang, di ba? So, dito, tatlo yung equation natin, paano natin ito isosolve. Okay? Pag may nakita ka dito, halimbawa ito, isang equation, another equation. Pag parehas yung variable nila dito, A at saka B, dito A at saka B din, pero hindi magkaparehas dito di ba? So, hindi natin ito pwedeng i-substitute to one another. Itong 1 and 2. Just like that we did dun sa mga previous video natin. So, what you're going to do is try to substitute it. Itong A na to, papunta dito. Okay? Pero pag sinubstitute natin itong A na to, papunta dito, yung A, mawawala yung A, di ba? Kasi papalitan nga natin yung A, di ba? Ang magiging labas nito, magiging B naman yan, di ba? Pero hindi pa rin enough kasi kahit may B din dito, meron naman tayong C. Okay? Magkakaproblema pa rin tayo dahil magiging dalawa pa din yung ating magiging equation, the variable. So, hindi natin pwedeng diretso lang na ito yung solve. So, we have to find ways pa din para kuha natin itong substitutions dito para maging isang variable lang siya doon sa isang equation. Okay? Again, ang sabi natin kanina, pag parehas A and B, pwedeng itong dalawa lang na to yung isosolve mo. Okay? Parang two variables lamang din. Pero, since hindi sila pareha, so you have to find a way para i-substitute yan doon sa third equation. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-substitute nga natin ito dito. Okay? Pero kulang pa siya kasi magkakaroon pa tayo ng C. Okay? So, the way I look at this one is that ito may A, ito may A din, ito may A. So, lahat ang gagawin ko, A na lang lahat ang gagawin kong variables ko muna. Kasi pare-paras lang silang may A. So, dun ako magbabase ngayon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang equation ko, dito sa equation 3, kasi hindi nga pwede equation 1 and 2, dito sa equation 3, gagawin ko A lahat ito. Okay? So, how do I make this all A's? So, kopya ko lang yung A dito, A, plus yung B dito with respect to A, di ba? Pwede naman. How do I do that? Yung B is equal to A minus 7. So, pwedeng gawin ko yung B dito is A din. So, magiging A minus 7. So, naging with respect to A na yon. Yung C, gawin ko ding A para lahat ito A ito. So, magiging C is equal to 1 half of, C is equal to 2A pa din pala. Okay? So, C is equal to 2A. So, ilagay ko na lang dito 2A. So, yung C ko ngayon, naging A na din. So, lahat itong variables na to is letter A in a single equation. So, pwede ko nang isolve yung value ng A, which is now will become A plus 2A is 4A. Tapos, magiging 77 plus na magiging doon, di ba? Kasi subtraction negative dito magiging positive. So, magiging 77 plus 7 is 84. Okay? So, kunin natin yung value ng A divided by mo ng 4. So, divided by 4 ito is 20, yung 80. Tapos, yung 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, 21 yung magiging age ni Alice. So, ilagay na natin dito. So, Alice is equivalent to 21. Pag nakuha na natin yung unang value natin, madali na yung mga susunod. So, pwedeng kunin natin yung C is equal to 2A. Dito, halimbawa, pwede din unahin mo yung B. Depende sa iyo. Okay? So, kung unahin mo naman yung B, ito yung gagamitin mo equation, yung equation 1. Okay? So, unahin natin yung letter B. Okay? So, si Bob? Si Bob is equal to A minus 7. So, A is equal to 21 minus 7. That's equivalent sa 14. Tapos, dito naman, isolve naman natin ay si Carol. Okay? So, si Carol, hindi naman pwedeng hanapin dito si Carol kasi wala naman si Carol sa equation 1. Kasi ang nandiyan lang ay si Alice at saka si Bob. So, wala kang ibang choice kung saan mo hahanapin si Carol, kundi sa equation number 2, pwede din sa equation 3 kasi meron doon si Carol. Kung alin yung value, yung equation na merong yung hinahanap mo, doon ka magsasubstitute. Dito ka lang magsasubstitute sa 2 at saka sa 3. So, gamitin ko muna yung 2 kasi hinahanap ko si Carol. Hindi ito pwedeng gamitin. Wala nga si Carol dyan. Hindi natin mahanap si Carol dyan. So, Carol is equivalent sa 2A using equation number 2. So, that will become 2 times ilan si Alice? 21. So, that will become 42. Kung gagamitin mo naman yung equation 3, so magiging A plus B plus C is equal to 77. Pero may value ka na ng A. Tama ba? Meron. Dapat may value ka muna ng letter B. Pag hindi mo pa nakukuha yung letter B, hindi mo masasolve si letter C kasi dalawa yung unknown mo dito, si B at saka si C. Copy? Pero since alam naman natin na yung value ni B, alam natin yung value ni B at saka ni A, pwede na natin hanapin yung value ni C. Okay? So, using this equation, A plus B plus C is equal to 77. May value na tayo ni A, di ba? Which is 21. Tapos si B, may value na rin tayo. Ilan si B? 14, di ba? Plus C is equal to 77. So, isa na lang yung variable natin dito, yung C. Take note, sa isang equation, dapat isa lang yung variable na walang value para makasolve ka ng value. Okay? So, add natin ito. So, magiging C is equal to 21 plus 14, that's 30. 35. So, magiging 77 minus 35. So, ilan ito? That will become 40. 77 minus 30 is 40. Hold on. 77 minus 30 is equal to 40, 35. Bakit nga? Mali akong addition ko. 77 minus 30. Sorry, subtraction to, okay? So, 35 plus 7, yes, tama ko, like 42, nahirapan ako magka doon, okay? So, kalahati ng 70 is 35, okay? So, matitira is 35 din, plus 7, that's 42. Okay, so, I do this one, 77, okay, kasi 77, okay? So, medyo mali ako doon. So, that's it, okay? Check lang natin, si Alice ba ay 7 years older than Bob, okay? So, si Bob is equal to 14. Ang diferensya nila is 7. So, that's correct. Si Carol ba is twice the age of Alice. So, si Carol is ilan? 20? No, 42. Yes, 42. Okay? So, si Carol is 42. Doubles ba siya ng edad ni Alice? Yes. Ang saba ng edad nila is 77. So, magiging 21 si Alice plus 14 si Bob plus 42 si Carol. So, that's equivalent to 77. So, that will become 21 plus 14, that's 35. 35, 75 plus 2, 77. Okay, so 77, correct. You don't have to satisfy all the conditions here. I-check mo pa isa-isa. Bahala ka na kung alin yun sa palagi mo. Isa lang yung i-check mo, mag-o-okay na. And usually, ito talaga. So, still, you have to add this one. Okay? Ito yung talagang ultimate na checking kung tama yung sagot mo. Okay? So, that's a 3 variable na dito. So, we're going to solve more of it 3 variables pag na-solve mo na yung 2 variables.